Totality of 63 million people experiencing deafness, auditory problem are both estimated by WHO. This disability often lead to their separation from the common society. I experienced a similar instance during my journey to a new place, where I was having problem finding a location. I asked a passerby who turned out to be with auditory impairment. So I analyzed their problem and identified the following issues. Though sign language is the primary mode of communication for people with hearing and auditory disability, not many of us know it. While conversing on the phone, they rely on video call only, which get hindered by the internet accessibility or network disturbance. While advanced technology exists to address their challenges, the high cost became another challenge. To solve all this problem, presenting you SignBridge, new hope for deaf and mute. After signing up and logging to our app, this is our dashboard. The translate section will help people directly interact on mute, as mute sign actions are recorded and its speech translation will be given to normal person. After clicking on sign to text, the mood changes and the person can speak what he wants to tell to the deaf person, and it will be shown as a sign language through avatar. In the calling section, meeting can be scheduled or call can be done with the translation mechanism being enabled. In the shopping platform, mute and deaf people can buy our products and other local products that can solve their disability problem. This is our product, an electronic glove that converts sign language to speech, giving mute their voice completely.
Where is the washroom?
This is our business model canvas. The revenue will be generated by advertising, selling our devices through our platform, and providing sign language education to help deaf and mute relatives understand them better. The major revenue will be generated from the call mechanism on the subscription basis. Our target market in India comprises 63 million customers with 40 million serviceable addressable market and 30 million serviceable obtainable market expecting future growth. We aim to collaborate with local NGOs and deaf mute schools alongside targeted ads and impactful campaigning to boost our product sales state-wise and expand our customer outreach in India. We will distribute funds as follows: 30% for product development, 20% for new hires, 30% for advertising and campaigning, 15% for sales and operation, 5% for handling unforeseen challenges. Our strategy involved developing the mobile app within 3 months in collaboration with NGOs and educational institutes. We will launch the product, implement state-wise market acquisition, aims to reach every state and collaborate with all institutes for specially able within a year. Future plans include international expansion and addressing additional issues. By us, there are few players in the market segment and our goal is to provide service at low price. We aim to encourage deaf and mute individuals to connect more with the society and foster their growth. We are working closely with local NGO V4U and Dr. Sarita Banerjee Behra to develop this. This is my team. Thank you everyone.
Great. So the first thing I'll jump into is, you've not mentioned at what stage the product is. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I think your voice volume is a little low. I was saying that you've not covered at what stage of your product, cycle is a product is at.
So I have to add something like this is how my product is gonna look or something like that.
No, we discussed it the other day. No, you have to talk about where is your product? Is your product ready to go into the market? Does it still require certain development? So what stage of the product, like product development is a product is? You're supposed to add one slider on that, or at least share some information. Because see, right now we don't know how well the product is developed, no?
Yes,
How much time you would need. So आपने वो कहाँ डाला है?
okay, so I will add that.
See, it is a mandatory requirement now. Like 3 minutes is a mandatory requirement. Exactly like that. Understanding the product stage is a mandatory requirement.
Yes, sir.
And I don't know, everyone, please let me know. Was the video okay or was it the internet? Because in certain places, the video looked like it was lagging a little bit. It could be my internet, so just checking. Okay. So yeah, so that was one issue. Otherwise, the major issue is here, you need to add that slide. You need to add that in. So how much time will you take? When can you show me with that extra slide?
Um, okay, so like 5-10 minutes.
So do one thing, Piyush, while we're looking at the other teams, you try working on it and try adding that slide, please. That's mandatory requirement. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you, Piyush.
Any other?
Okay, should we move on to the next team, please?
Vipul, I'm online.
Sir.
Yeah.
So any feedback on the previous team, sir?
Previous is good. I listened to your feedback, so I didn't want to add on to it. I think
So
what you told them, they need to work on it because when is the last day? But today is 14th. But when are they supposed to submit it? 15th. Tomorrow.
Yes, sir. Tomorrow.
Okay. Tomorrow, right? Okay. Okay. All the best. Thanks. Yeah.
I guess Akash is not there. So Nirogya?
सर एक मिनट
Yes, sir.
हेलो हेलो
Please start
सर आकाश
presenting.
आकाश is present sir.
Okay, Akash. Yeah, you can start if you want. Akash, are you presenting?
Yes sir.
Hello everyone, this is Shubham Kashyap from Team Rail Health. Our team is currently pursuing BTech from MNNIT Allahabad, Prayagraj. The current slide consists of some of the health issues faced by the passengers who are traveling by the train. The motivation of our idea came once when we were traveling in a train journey from Prayagraj to Delhi. We encountered an elderly passenger suffering from chest pain with no access to medical aid. This prompted us to create a platform offering medical assistance to train travelers. Over the past year, we have been diligently turning this idea into reality. And today, we are here in front of you all to pitch our startup idea named Trail. This is our web application by utilizing which one can book for the doctor consultation by clicking on the consult doctors button, after which he can select the doctor and fill the required necessary details of the patient and click on the submit button to book the consultation with the selected doctor. This is the flowchart for our working model. The passenger orders the medicine, after which our algorithm checks the availability of the medicine in the nearest medical shop by utilizing the Mark software. After this, a doctor is appointed for the order validation, which can be done using a telecommunication service, not the order in Prayagraj division. This is the business model canvas of which the revenue streams include profit margin from medicines, partnership revenue, and per service fee. This is the competition. These are the primary target locations in our initial stage. These are a few of the glimpses of the screenshots of our domain and hosting. Our future roadmaps consist of intercity delivery within hours, online ambulance service, online nursing, and compounder integration. This is the team that has been working behind the startup Trail Health. Thank you so much.
Vedha, sir, would you like to go first? Or while Vedha sir is sharing his inputs, I didn't see any subtitles for the video here. Were there subtitles
Yeah.
there?
So subtitles sir because we changed the video today so we didn't add a subtitle yet so we will add it soon.
Sure, because see, that is mandatory, no? Basic hai wo to. And about what about the product, this thing, product stage?
So we mentioned in the video sir that the product stage is website is released and
Can you show
application is
that
in
quickly?
under the Google Play Store console verification.
Sure.
Yes,
Can you
sir.
please show that screen again, please?
Yes, yes. Wait, wait a minute.
Mhm.
Sorry, sir.
No, it's okay. It's okay. But teams, please note when you're presenting, after you present it, please keep the video on so that we can quickly review it.
Sir.
Telecommunication service. Now the order is allocated to a paramedical staff who visits the medical shop and delivers the order to the passenger. Coming to the technical progress, we have implemented the following set of features in our mobile and web application, and we are expecting to release the both by 20th of March. Coming to the market size, we have 20.1 million as total available market, of which 1 million is serviceable available market and 0.14 million is serviceable obtainable market. We have roughly 2039 cases addressed per day in Prayagraj division. This is the business model canvas of which the revenue streams include profit margin from medicine, partnership revenue per service fee. This is the competition. These are the primary target locations in our initial stage. These are few of the glimpses of the screenshots of our visit with ADRM sir and the survey with doctors and medicine store dealers. The ask amount is 5 lakhs, which will be utilizing for medical staff salaries, medical equipments and supplies and so on. The current investment includes company registration, various APIs, domains and hosting. Our future roadmaps consist of intercity delivery within hours, online ambulance service, online nursing and compounder integration. This is the team that has been working behind the startup Rail Health. Thank you so much.
No, but then again, where is the product roadmap, product updated? What stage is the product?
Sir, so it is told in the video, sir, that both will be going to release on 28th March. So because
No, but
application portion is
yeah, but you still have to be a little more clear about it. No, you have to, like the last time also, I'd informed him that you need to have at least somewhere mentioned at what stage is your product right now. Without that, you'll not. It's a basic this thing for qualification now.
I think even Vikram had given this feedback, no? It was a very detailed feedback that we gave. So while you are saying 20th of March, what Vipul is saying is, what is the product roadmap? Where you are stand today? You know, I mean, unless you show some proper glimpse in that, they'll feel that you are just telling for the sake of telling, and nothing is going to happen. So be careful, right? Again, we are saying this is a competition. This is not, we are
okay, sir.
biased or whatever it is. We are looking from the competition point of view. When everyone else has got,
Sure.
showing a lot of things, just think about it, okay? That's what we urge you to do.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
So Akash,
We will add
what are the other changes that you made to the video?
So other changes, so for example, so in the video, as the Pankaj Sharma sir suggests, that instead of saying the ask amount of 5 lakh, you can say that the fund utilization plan, and in last you have also add the QR code. So these things are changed in the video.
हाँ, but जो सबसे
And
important चीज थी वो आपने डाली नहीं. प्रोडक्ट रोडमैप आप प्लीज अभी करिए, ठीक है? एंड प्लीज क्रिटिकल है, अगर हो सके तो इफ यू कैन मेक द चेंज टुडे, डू इट टुडे एंड अपडेट इट ऑन द व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप सो दैट आई कैन हैव अ लुक एट इट. ओके?
okay, sir.
हाँ, प्लीज आज करिए.
Sure, sir.
थैंक यू आकाश.
Thank you, sir.
So next team Nirog, start presenting.
Yes, sir.
Hi, we are Team Nirogya, with motto, Bridging Healthcare Gaps. Nirogya is derived from the Sanskrit word for health. We are from Banasthali Vidyapeeth, Jaipur.
This doesn't feel right. I should see a doctor.
Om tries to search for doctors online, but the appointments are booked. And the waiting time is long.
Booking appointments. Waiting in queues. It's so time consuming. I can't afford to spend hours on this. I guess I'll have to tough it out. I don't have time to visit a doctor. Maybe I can find some over-the-counter medicine.
Hi Shivansh. I'm Dr. Jasper from Nirogya.
How are you today?
Hi, Doc. I am feeling dizzy since morning.
Oh, that's sad. Are you facing any other symptoms?
No, I am just feeling dizzy.
Do you face this issue often, with some headaches?
Yes.
If you face this issue often, then this might be the case of migraine. As for now, please keep yourself hydrated, drink glucose and take rest. I am suggesting you some doctors, and recommend you to book appointment with them.
This is the platform of Nirogya. We provide an engaging conversation with the AI doctor, which is the unique selling proposition of our product. The estimated market size for our product is 5.5 crores. This is our business model canvas. The value proposition of Nirogya is an affordable and user-friendly platform with personalized healthcare. These are some detailed revenue streams for now and a later stage of Nirogya. This is our fund utilization plan. The go-to-market strategy is paid advertisements and collaborations. The journey so far was amazing. Team Nirogya is grateful to thingQbator and NASCOM Foundation for this opportunity. This is our team. We are a 100% women-led startup. Thank you. Hi, we are team.
Guys, very quickly, what are the changes that you made to the presentation, to this particular video?
This is our team. We are 100.
Hello.
Yeah, hi.
Hi, sir. Sir, we add the 100% women-led startup thing in the team role and responsibilities. And Vikram sir told that the video where the doctor is conversing with the patient, it is a little fast forwarded. So we just normalize the speed
Okay,
and we add the QR code in the end.
okay. And what about the product stage?
Sir, it is shown in the video,
Can you show
the
me that,
website.
please? Yeah. No, the website is shown, but
Yes.
where have you mentioned at what stage is the product at?
Sir, we have already deployed the website. It is live. So we need to mention it explicitly also.
Yeah, see, because even if you show me something, it could just be a framework, it could just be a landing page. How would I know, at what stage you guys are at? Or it could just be the front end. So you need to very clearly say what stage of the product offering are you at. It's a basic requirement. Like for example, they said that you need to have the video within 3 minutes. Similarly, they have also mentioned that they want to know what stage of the product is your offering at right now. Please, you guys have to add that in. Even the last two teams have not added it in. But please, guys, understand this is a basic parameter that they're judging you on.
Okay, sir. So we'll add a separate slide mentioning that on what stage our product is.
Yeah, please do that. And again, please update it on the WhatsApp group so I can have a look at it.
Okay, sure, sir.
Thank you. Otherwise, I think all good. Vijeta, sir, anything else would you want to add? Yeah, okay.
Well, I'm good. I'm good with what you're saying. See, because this is a good startup and women-led and everything. And the product, right? I mean, as what you very clearly said, make sure that you should not slip up on the way you're positioning the product and your MVP and the fact that you really know what you're saying. I just have one question, okay? See, the like that AI ML and all that you have put over there, are there genuinely some elements of AI ML in this, or you just put it for the sake of putting it?
Yes, sir, there are elements.
Okay, like what?
Sir, we trained the chatbot on the data set.
Okay, so you all can stand by that, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, ठीक है. Yeah, Vipul, that was my only thing, no? Because they just had to stand by all the facts that they have stated.
So,
Yeah, cool.
got it. No, great. So otherwise, good guys, but yeah, we please need that understanding of at what stage your product is.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, sure, we'll add that.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you,
All
sir.
the best.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. And I think Vipul, they should update it, put it on the group or share it with us or whatever it is, right? Once
Yes,
they're
sir.
done.
Yes, sir. So
Okay.
all the three teams that have shown it for now, please do that. And I'm a little worried now if the other teams have added it or not. The first team to show me that they've added in will get a voucher from Amazon for $500. I'll send it across. So please don't disappoint me.
Sure, sir, we'll send it in the group.
Thank you, Team Nirog. So our next team is Adit. You want to present?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. My teammate Sainath will present.
Okay, start presenting.
Great.
The audio audible, sir.
Can you play again? Yeah, I think the volume is a little low.
जाके गुप्ता अंकल की दुकान से 1 किलो आटा ले
Is the audio audible, sir?
Can you start from the beginning?
Yeah, just start
But
from the
is
beginning.
is the sound available?
We heard
Audible?
it. We
Yeah.
heard it. We heard it when
Okay.
you started that. भैया की दुकान से कुछ लेके आओ, something like it
Okay,
started.
okay, okay.
Yeah. Start from the beginning, but yeah.
Greetings. We are Team Amir from Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Petroleum Technology, Amethi, Uttar Pradesh.
चुटकी जाके गुप्ता अंकल की दुकान से 1 किलो आटा लेके आओ हाँ मम्मा
These simple words echoed through our childhoods, a routine task that connected us to the local merchants. There are approximately 12 million merchants like Gupta Uncle in India. Yet, a concerning question arises. Why isn't that merchant growing with Chutki?
We discovered the problem because one of our teammates, Sainath, ran a grocery shop. He bought a billing software, but it was not up to the mark, so we went into the market and identified many challenges across various demographics and various types of shops, and these were our results.
There are three major issues: low customer satisfaction, annual business management, due to which the shopkeeper does not have information about the business, time management. Amir solves these issues. Product is Maggi 70 grams packet and the stock is 10. MRP is 14, SP is 14, CP is 12.
Scan barcode.
Maggi.
The prototype is successfully developed and the regional language support is under development. We have a hybrid revenue model with multiple revenue streams ranging from premium ad revenue to financial services. Initially, we are targeting micro to small retail stores and expand to wholesale distributors, forming an ecosystem.
Considering 200 rupees as monthly revenue, our SAM stands at 864 crores and 5% of that, our SOM stands at 43.2 crores and the e-invoicing market is growing at a rate of 24.3%.
We dive into market with digital marketing followed by reseller partnership and UPI aggregator collaboration. We will use 90% of the funds for research and development, marketing and customer acquisition, and security audit. Amit stands out because of regional language support, AI assistant, and local SEO.
We will commence development and content marketing in March, proceed with beta testing in June. Following the security audit in August, we'll be launching the product in September. And thereafter, we'll focus on user acquisition and marketing. Very soon, we want to build for other sectors, hardware integrations, more marketing resources, and more robust systems for theft prevention. Here is an overview of our business.
बढ़िया है भाई बढ़िया हिंदी में आ जाए तो मजा आ जाएगा
Guys, can you pause here?
Yeah.
Yeah. So one thing is a watermark. I think there was a watermark in between. Please make sure that you remove that watermark, otherwise Vikram is going to get after you. Second, subtitles were not there.
Yes, sir. If this video is okay, we'll just add the subtitles.
Okay. And what about the product stage?
So I'll show. I have showed it 1 minute. This.
Prototype develop. Okay. See, this is good. But you need to be a little more specific. Right? So again, this is for everyone, all the teams, please listen in. So when you say prototype developed, you need to also clearly mention what part of it is developed. Is it 100% developed, 90%, or what percentage of it is developed, right? What is the next stage of development, right? What is the next thing you'll be building? And in case if you have a final product ready, then you write it as that final product ready to go to market, right? Because see, again, I would have questions on the basis of this, because I'll be like, okay, developed how much? Like, can you go to the market? Can you do a POC with it? Right? Like that. So that is, and again, regional language AI support is great under development, but how much time will it take for you to finish that up? Like, what is the estimated time of completion? So you need to mention that. Good job on putting this slide. Thank you for putting this slide. But please, everyone, mention it in this format.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. Any other changes that you made to the video?
Yes, sir. So yesterday, Pankaj sir told to show the survey that we have done. So we have showed it over here, and also told to include why personally, why is it a personal problem? So we included that also, and he also told to show at least a glimpse of some. We actually had many clips of user validation, but we put just one clip because he just told that to put a glimpse of the user validation with the location. So we did that, and he told that the rest of the video is okay, good.
Okay, but just please make those changes as requested.
Okay.
Right. Remove the watermark, subtitles, and that product phase.
I don't think watermark is present, but I'll again check.
It's there in the initial part of the video when you're talking to the customer. No?
You want to start a video again, then let's reconfirm that, no? So that there's no conflict. Let's start a video from the beginning, then slowly, so we know where we're
Here. Stop here.
Yes.
You see on the left-hand side, it says K2 movies. Yeah.
Okay. Yes, sir. So, can we just blur or something like that?
Yeah, figure something out. Because Vikram doesn't like watermarks.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay. And you understood what Vipul has explained, you all know, like just to
Sir,
make sure
actually, one thing. We have provided the video credits in the bottom right.
That's
So,
okay.
Right. Yes, sir.
That is okay. That you can do, but still remove the watermark or make it blurred.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
see the jury may not notice it, but there's be professional. And also you want, and the jury will definitely want to know at what stage you are when you say prototype developed, as Vipul explained, no, 90% and 100%, on so and so date will be ready to go to market. These are the things that will make you be better than the other teams. Okay, please understand that why we are requesting and kind of hammering this again and again. All right.
Yes.
Sir, all the best.
So sir, in the this slide 12-month operational roadmap, we are already telling that, right? But you're telling that with the features, we should mention that.
Yes.
On that slide.
Yes.
Okay.
Right. So when we talk about something, at a scale, at times you also talk about something with specific focus on it. So for the product, they've asked for a specific focus.
Yes, sir. That is fine. We'll do that.
Great.
No issue. Yes.
All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, team. So now solar powered vehicle, can you start presenting? Sir, am I audible?
Yep.
I guess they are not there. So new role, can you start presenting? Apurv?
Yes, sir. One moment.
Okay.
But it's okay, you're giving. Come in the morning. Huh? Any help you need? Any other help? Operationally, you're all sorted, no? Okay.
Is my screen visible?
Yep.
Yes.
Even though no two brains are alike, individuals whose brains are wired differently from the average or neurotypical person are referred to as neurodivergents. About 20% of the population is estimated to be neurodivergent. They face challenges in understanding social cues, communication, sensory and information processing, along with executive functioning skills. They're a global underserved community when it comes to accessible, useful, and functional products designed to accommodate their unique needs. Introducing Neuror, a personalized assistive technology app designed to assist neurodiverse people with autism and ADHD in navigating their day, embracing neurodiversity, and cultivating positive habits. The blogs on our website are curated by experts who also organize Ask Me Anything sessions for users. Our app offers a comprehensive to do list and a habit builder to aid users with time management. Our app is in the beta testing phase. We're hoping to launch the app on Play Store by the end of April. A mood tracker analyzes users' mood and leads them to the chatbot and stimming center. The community forum helps our users connect with like-minded people and learn from shared experiences. These features collectively help with emotional and sensory regulation. Neuror's USP is its unique blend of personalized habit building, structured emotional regulation, and a supportive community where shared experiences ignite learning and growth. Our revenue model is a freemium, subscription-based model priced at Rs 150 per month. We also have a 15-day trial period for all our premium features. Our serviceable obtainable market would consist of 10 million Indians having either ADHD or autism. We plan to use 40% of our funds for app development, 15% for marketing and outreach, 15% for community building, and 30% for onboarding personnel. We aim to reach neurodivergents over the age of 14 through inclusive marketing strategies, partnerships with organizations, and targeted online marketing through social media channels. We received positive feedback when we spoke to experts at Ishania Foundation and Orcreate. Over the next 3 months, we hope to continue user testing through peer groups at Ishania Foundation, launch the app on Play Store, and initiate regular events for community members. In the long run, we hope to solidify partnerships with neurodiversity organizations. Currently, we're in talks with Ishania Foundation to build custom tools for their autistic students. Having secondhand experience of neurodiversity through close family members and friends, as a team, we envision a world where neurodiversity is embraced and celebrated.
Thank you, guys. So very quickly, what are the changes that you made to this particular video from the last one?
So we were asked to remove a watermark that was present and then talk about the status of the MVP, the testing phase, which is included a short sentence about that. And in the end, we were also asked to include a contact us slide with a QR code to the website, to our landing page, and our contact details.
Okay, can you show me the MVP statement that you've added in?
Hello.
Okay.
Yeah, Adarsh, can hear you.
Yes, sir. Not audible. No issues. Sir, so shall we start with next team?
Just 1 second. Just want to see this one change that Apurva has made.
Okay, sure.
Yes, sir.
So Apurva, can you show me that? Yeah.
Yeah, 1 minute. Yes, sir. This was the statement that we included.
Where?
Right here. It's along with the audio because
No, see, that will not help. That's what I was saying to the other teams also. You need to have a dedicated segment where you clearly say at what stage of the product are you at.
okay.
Because
Since we were short on time, we thought of including a statement within the product demo
I understand, but
part
that
of the
doesn't
video
work.
itself.
Understood. But that doesn't
Okay.
work. This is a requirement. Like, for example, you have to keep the video within 3 minutes, right?
Yeah.
It's the same level of requirement that you need to have a clear view on where is the product right now, like where is the product in the product journey right now. You will have to
Okay.
add that in the presentation, please.
Yes, sir. We'll include a separate slide for that.
Great. And then please share it on the WhatsApp group so that we can have a look at it quickly.
Yes, sir. Will do.
Great. Okay. Thank you, Puru. Everything else is good.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
We can move on to the next team.
Yeah,
Thank
all
you.
the best. All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, team. So next team is Team Spandana. Can you start presenting?
Yeah. Yes, sir. Just a minute. Can you let me know if it's audible, sir, once I start playing it?
Yeah, it's audible. You can start.
All right.
But video sound is not audible.
Yeah,
Oh, okay. Just a
Any
minute.
checkpoints?
Yeah, just a minute. Sir, is it okay if we go next? I just look into this video.
If you have any query, just tell me. I'll help you regarding.
All right. I'm not sure why the audio is not visible. I can hear it here, but I think
Okay,
it's...
so there is an option called optimizing and motion.
Yes,
If you
it
click
is
on
audible.
that, then the video sound will be audible.
That's what I have clicked here. Optimize for motion and video, right?
Yeah, right.
Yeah, that is selected. Okay, I'll try playing it directly on Canva. Just give me a minute.
From writing notes in
Is it audible now?
Yeah, now it's audible.
From writing notes in school to driving your car to work, motor coordination and cognition is the foundation of how we interact with the world around us. But what happens when this is affected? Motor coordination disorders affect about 1 in 10 children across India and have long-term consequences by affecting academics, causing psychological trauma, and increasing parental stress. Hi everybody, I'm Pratna, the founder of Spandana, and our journey started with my personal experience with DCD and the challenges I faced growing up. While the situation seems bleak, neuroscience presents an opportunity. Neuroplasticity is the phenomenon by which repetitive reinforcement of certain actions alters neural pathways, particularly in early childhood. Here's where we come in. Spandana, games that rewire the brain. Our product is an IoT-based toy kit with games carefully designed in association with a therapist to target the various aspects of coordination. These games are provided along with a synchronized mobile app to process and display data. Now let's take a quick look at our MVP, an interactive pegboard designed to improve fine motor skills. This is Anjali and Dr. Benita in the role of a therapist. The patient is authenticated using an encrypted tag. Once the device connects to the real-time database, a pattern of suitable difficulty is selected and displayed on the app. The patient attempts to execute the pattern by filling the corresponding holes with pins of varying sizes or shapes as fast as possible. This helps to measure and improve the child's cognition, hand-eye coordination, and visual memory. An accuracy score along with a time score is computed. The unique features of our product are as follows. Our product uses IoT to monitor children's progress non-intrusively, ensuring a seamless experience. Our systems are designed for maximum security and privacy of each child. We utilize machine learning to tailor our datasets, adjusting the difficulty as the child improves. This fosters personalized learning, maximizing each child's potential. A very brief overview of our business model. Our market segments are as follows: psychologists, school counselors, parents, and children affected by DCD. Our revenue model is a hybrid model with various subscriptions catering to each of these market segments. Our product employs a concurrent engineering design approach and is currently in the phase of conceptual development, prototyping, and testing. We aim to commence clinical trials in April and then move forward with manufacturing and distribution. Here's our estimated budget to fulfill these goals, split across development and sales, constituting a total of 5 lakhs. I'm the founder of Spandana with my friends and our mentor, Dr. Benita Golda. Please write us an email to help improve our product, and thank you for your attention.
Right.
Great. So
Am
what
I
are the-
audible?
Yeah, I can hear you clearly. So what are the
Yeah.
changes that you made into this video?
Right. So the first thing we did was to add the testimonial, like the video in the first bit, because they asked us to do that yesterday. And then we'd modified our timeline to indicate exactly where we are. You'd asked for that, so that was changed. And also our features, we've gone into them into a little more detail because last time they were just 3 individual slides. So that's what we've done so far.
Got it. So I'm assuming on the product side, that's a timeline that you're referring to, right?
Yes.
Yeah, but
The
it wasn't very
timeline,
clear.
yeah.
Yeah, can we see that again, please?
Yes. Just a minute. It's right. So here's the timeline.
And is currently in the
It moves on to this slide where we talk about April 19th as the deadline for
Can
ship
you-
manufacturing.
God, can you go back a little, please?
Yes.
A little before this. And yeah, play from here.
these market segments. Our product employs a concurrent engineering design approach and is currently in the phase of conceptual development, prototyping, and testing. We aim to commence clinical trials in April and then move forward with manufacturing and distribution. Here's our estimated budget.
Fair enough. This is okay.
It's all right. Okay.
Yeah. And what about the subtitles? I don't see it here.
Yes, we still haven't uploaded it to YouTube, so when we do that, we'll attach the subtitles.
Okay. Fair enough.
All right. Okay, sir. Any other changes we should be making?
I'm good. Vijay, sir, any?
No, it's all fine. Just do one favor for us. Once you upload it on YouTube, make sure you share that link because we want to make sure the subtitles are coming. Okay.
Okay, sure, sir, sure.
And
Right.
the other rules that you know, right? No watermarks. It should be all landscape mode. It should be within the 3 minutes. Just follow that. Just go back and make sure you follow those rules very strictly. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay. Just one small clarification. So, I heard that there's a jury that day. So, are they scoring us on something? What exactly is happening on 18th?
Vikram will sort that out for you. Okay.
Okay.
That part,
All right.
yeah.
All right. Okay.
The
Okay. Sir.
flow, the agenda, what will happen, etc. That Vikram and team will sort out. Okay.
Okay. Okay. So we don't have to modify the video for any scoring pattern, particularly right now, right, sir?
Talk to Vikram. I don't think so because this is a guidelines has been given. Stick to that.
Okay.
But if you
Okay.
still have doubts about that day, talk to Vikram. Okay.
Okay. Okay. So thank you. Thank you.
Best wishes.
Thank you.
Thank you, team. So our next team is solar power vehicle.
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah, yes, you are audible.
Sir, this past week and as well as this week, we had exams. So we couldn't actually properly redo the video. We have the old video. The contents are the same, but we reshot the video. The video is not completed yet. So should I still present it or?
Vipul sir, what can
In
we
that case, no, in that case, take your time, quickly update it and share it on WhatsApp on the group so that we can have a look at it.
Yes,
Please add the slide on the stage of the product,
yes, sir. Yes.
right? Please don't forget that. Yeah, and send it across. We'll have a look at it there.
Okay, sir. Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. So next team is Team Memebot. Harsha, are you there?
Sir, I'm there, sir. Seeing my screen.
We are Team Emobot AI.
Sir, is this audible, sir?
Yes, it's audible.
We are Team Emobot AI powered emotional support for mental well-being. We are from Reva University, Bangalore. I grew up witnessing the suffering of my mother who lost her partner at a young age. Despite her strength, she struggled with her unspoken emotions, leading to isolation and anxiety. I understood the value of hearing out emotions, but by that time my mother had lost control of her mind and became weak and had panic attacks. I began listening to her and started to be a friend with her, side by side researching our minds and emotions and creating a routine tailored to her emotions. As a friend, I observed positive changes in her mood. These problems are not only faced by my mom, there are many. According to the WHO, 280 million people worldwide experience depression and 1 in 4 adults feel socially isolated and lonely. While there are some apps connecting to the counselors, they are not affordable and lack 24/7 assistance. I realized the need for emotional support, leading to the development of Emobot AI-powered emotional support for mental well-being. Main unique selling proposition is responses tailored to emotions detected using image, voice and text. This is the app and features of EmoCare. And main features are self-healing, which has features to improve your emotional state. If you're confused, you'll need to be subscribed accordingly and understand your emotion and keep track of your mental health. In the emergency cases, automated call will be generated to your given contacts and hospitals. Introducing Emobot, empowering minds, nurturing hearts. In the case of happiness, if the user wants to save the memory in the form of text, image, then they can save it. When the person is angry, first a government approved questionnaire pops up, then 4 to 11 Hz frequency music is played to get control over situation. When the person is in neutral state, motivational quotes will be displayed for activation of mind. When the user is in sad state, robot responds by playing 4 to 7 Hz frequency sound to make them feel calm, and a journaling page will be open to express themselves and to be free.
Before being introduced to the bot, I used to keep talking to this small penguin doll of mine. I used to share my emotions to, though I don't get any reply in return. I still used to feel, calm after talking to that. But now, after being introduced to the bot, I think the audio, the music that it plays calms me down, the feedback or the motivation that it gives helps me, and I think the bot has quite, brought quite changes to my emotional state and how I feel and how balanced I am.
This is our target market, 10.5 million size. Fund utilization mainly focuses on development of the product. Revenue model through freemiums. Go-to-market strategy mainly focuses on awareness campaigns through various platforms. We have completed ideation stage. We are in refined stage of prototyping. Next we'll be focusing on testing. Our team: Kuragaila Sriharsha, Shivani Gurunayak, Mohammad Tawasif, Dr. Bagole. Contact us here. Thank you.
Great. Just one question again. Your product stage, have you mentioned that? Because again, not very clear. I was not able to identify that.
Yes, sir. We have mentioned it, sir. We are in redefining stage.
We are Team MOBot. AI predicate.
Like
Where have you done that? Can you show it to me,
Just show
please?
us. Yeah, just show us that particular part. Yeah.
Yes, sir, we have showed all the timeline what we have done, and we said that we are working the testing stage, testing and refining.
Where is that?
Sir, they're like in build testing the unit integration and in below prototyping refine.
So you're at the testing stage right now.
Yes, sir.
You're at the testing stage right now.
Yes, sir.
Right. So you should probably highlight testing stage in this so that we know that in this timeline, in this journey, you are at the testing stage.
Okay, sir.
Right, because otherwise we wouldn't know, because you're showing a bot that is already talking. So it feels like you already have a product that's ready.
Sir.
Right. So you have to clearly define, please, we don't want you to, after putting so much of hard work, lose points on this. Please, very clearly define what stage of the product, what stage of the product, are you at right now?
Yes, sir. We have said it in the voiceover, sir. Like we'll highlight the testing thing also, sir.
Yeah. Highlight it here. Please highlight it in the video. That is very important.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Otherwise, all good. Vijay, sir, any feedback for the team? Well, I think we are good. But please, on the video, please make sure that you identify, focus on that, please.
Yeah. Because I think, Vipul, all good. Of course, as we both agree that the key is to show that what stage you're in, etc. Okay. I think otherwise it was all fine.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. All the best. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, team. So our next team is Sir Abhijit. Abhijit, are you there?
Hello, sir. I'm audible.
Yes, you're audible.
Sir, shall I share the link to the video, drive link, or shall I share my screen?
No, share your screen and start presenting.
Okay. So is it visible?
Yeah, it's visible.
In the heart of Ayodhya, where tradition meets innovation, emerges talented Passion Pravesh, a dynamic startup from the college Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Petroleum Technology. In Sanskrit, it is Tav Priyam Karmani Srishtam. That means a place where careers are carved to uniquely fit you, ensuring a perfect match. In schools, academics dominate the limelight while skills linger in the shadows. Students make choices but often end up on paths misaligned with their true potential. In India, the workforce spans over 260 domains, yet students on average are familiar with only 4 to 5 during their schooling. Having examined this issue within secondary education, we pinpointed 3 distinct groups as shown in the pie chart. It was my own challenge that flashed the inspiration for this idea. During my schooling, I grappled with choosing between defense, administration, and engineering. On the other hand, a friend's J regret was an eye-opener, revealing a troubling trend in which students invest heavily in fields like NEET and JEE without knowing their actual skills. Due to this, they often face severe consequences, including tragic outcomes. Talented emerges from this realization. We have come up with the following solution for each identified category in the problem stack. In our USP, course is a unique 100-day program delving into all 260 workforce areas. After completion, a report card highlights the top 2 skills followed by a detailed career path report card. Wait, this is not all over. Post Course A, our unique USP unveils Course B, in which students get expertise in discovered skills of Course A with academic support and digital learning of students. Talented excels the competitors by providing all possible dimensions. Unlike competitors testing in 3 or 4 domains, we provide basic practical knowledge on all working domains before evaluation. For these services, students visit our website, fill out the form and pay via QR with API confirming the admission. After successful UI for our MVP, we are working on advancing to our own server. We have validated our product through feedback from both experts and users. With a good number of students on board, we are now a revenue generating startup. Now let's see what our users think about us.
My name is Karthik Singh. I am from class 7. I joined course 3 of Talented Education last July and discovered my skills in story writing and script writing. Now I am learning both of them deeply in course B. Thank you and have a nice day.
मेरा नाम नव्या है, मैं क्लास 7 में पढ़ती हूँ। मुझे पहले से ही डॉक्टर बनना था, बट इसके स्किल्स के बारे में मुझे पता नहीं था। लेकिन अब मैं टैलेंट ईडी के कोर्स बी में पढ़ती हूँ। इसके लिए मैं जरूरी स्किल्स अभी से सीख रही हूँ। थैंक यू।
Talented mainly targets secondary education students. Our mainstream revenue comes from paper course for course A and monthly pay for course B. As per IBEF, India's school market is projected to reach 735 million USD with an overall education market to reach 225 billion USD by the end of this year. After extensive research and analysis, we have crafted the following strategic fund utilization plan: 30% for tech, 20% for outreach, ending at 5% for seamless operations. This is our well-planned go-to-market strategy, and we are not just planning. We have already accomplished many of its steps. Currently, our focus is on the success of students by focusing on our uniqueness instead of rapid scale. Sakti Sahai Sukham. That means together is strength. Meet the talented team of Talented. To embark on the journey of passion, you can find us online through our website and social media handles. Thank you.
I'm glad that you made some of the changes, guys, but there's still some changes left. So when you start the slides in the beginning, when you're talking about the problem statement, right? On the top right hand side corner is that that flow chart that you've created. So that you need
Yes,
to
sir.
remove.
Okay, we shall remove that part. Okay.
And then the other suggestion was that I think when you were comparing institutes, there was one institute which had, one, that image is still blurred. So you need to do something about that blurred image. And secondly, there were, I think, 6 universities that you had mentioned. We had asked you to remove one of them from between, which actually did not have anything to show. So those 2 changes are still pending. Otherwise, I did notice the other changes that you made. On the MVP side also, I could make out you have mentioned it, but I wanted to be a little more clearer. Right, because
Okay.
right now
The quality of video, right?
No, not the quality of the video. The stage where you're talking about the MVP, right? As to where the product is. That has to be a little more clear.
Okay.
See, that's
We
why
will get
I'm
back.
ideally suggesting, the teams to put it in the, slide itself. While you've done that as a voiceover, but somewhere you need to show that. So please have a look at it again.
Sure, sir.
Right. So I think those are the major feedbacks. Otherwise, the feedbacks that we'd given earlier, I noticed that you've incorporated those. So
Yes, sir. We updated accordingly as per your last suggestion.
yeah, but these 2 please do. One is right in the beginning.
Yeah. Small
Okay,
things,
definitely.
but yeah, small things that will make a big difference. Yeah.
Yes, sir. That's true.
Yeah, and yeah. So with the the YouTube link on the WhatsApp group. Okay, don't forget that. Please.
Yes, sir. I will do the same.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Is the next team ready?
Sir, I guess we have covered all the teams.
I think we've done 9, right?
Yeah, Akhilesh has joined right now, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Sure.
Akhilesh, are you there?
He's there. I've seen him.
Yes, sir, but not responding. Solar powered vehicle. Akhilesh?
Yeah, sir.
So can you start presenting?
Okay, so wait a minute. Wait a second, sir. I've called my teammates.
Sir, he also left. So shall we wait for him?
Let's do one thing. Tell him also to share the updated video on the group because we'd like to still have a look at it.
Sure, sir.
Might be facing issues with the internet.
Or we should wait for 5 minutes.
We can wait, yeah. I have no problem. We come back, we just pass on this message to you. Yeah?
Yeah, I'll pass on. Sure. Sir, I guess they won't join. I'll pass the message. What I'll do, I'll pass this message to the group so that they can share the video.
Yeah, sure. We're okay with that.
Sounds good.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Okay, thanks, Vipul. Thanks, Adarsh.
Thank you, sir. Thank you,
so much,
everyone.
sir.
Thank you,
Thank you
Adarsh.
so
Take care,
much.
everything. Take care. Yeah. Bye.
Yeah, bye.